Hello guys, welcome back to the weather radar. So right now we actually have some severe weather going on. Just a small startup thunderstorm, and it's actually lightning pretty good. This is what it looks like, and it's actually raining. And you can hear some thunder in the distance. But this is what it looks like. And the good parts of it are indicator and stuff. We're just getting some small rain. It looks like they removed a significant weather advisory for it. But the rain sounds really relaxing. So I just kind of came out here. Heavy thunderstorms this evening will give way to steady rain overnight. Winds light and variable, low 868. Chance of rain 100%. And radar, there you go. And here is 7:30 p.m., 7:45 p.m., 8 p.m., and 9 p.m. And then rain 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Tomorrow we have a big surprise. The rain is starting to pick up a little bit, so I have to speak louder. But I actually got a really funny, I got a bunch of funny videos and stuff. But here is when I was storm chasing again. And then it started pouring down rain and I got soaking wet, so. And this is when I started storm chasing again. And watch this. Whoa, hold on. So, here we are. So, yes, that was thunder for you right there. During one of my recordings, the first time ever, I've actually got a good one. And here's what it looks like, actually. In dark mode and video mode. Here's a clear view, and I'm actually going to sit here for a minute. That actually kind of rattled my bones a little bit there. But that was a pretty good one. It's coming from over there, which is where Decatur is. Yeah, lightning. That was a pretty good one, though. I didn't get to finish my video because this thunder also interrupted. Yes, Junkie, I know you're scared. I haven't heard this much of loud thunder in a while now. So, it's a pretty relaxing thing. There's actually a spider right up there that's just sitting there. I guess she made a web. But this is what it looks like. Sorry, Donkey's getting up on me. Neat. There's more lightning. Oh, there's another big one. You blink, you miss lightning. That's just how... Ooh! You blink, you miss it. That's what I was going to say. I'm actually going to put it in dark mode here so y'all can see it a little bit better. It's not really dark mode, it's video mode basically. Or video recording. I think it's starting to calm down. And I might be speaking too soon, but I think it's actually starting to calm down a little bit. Other than that other lightning earlier. But there's tiny ones now. You used to be able to see them strike across the sky. But you don't see that much anymore. It's kind of rare. So if I catch one, I get super happy because you don't see it much anymore. Another one. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this little sit here video. But thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.